Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public account in YouTube only way. Sign into YouTube, open channel settings, and set your channel and uploads to public in privacy options. Choose clear titles, thumbnails, and tags so search finds your content. Enable channel features like comments, playlists, and customization to engage viewers. Promote on socials, and follow YouTube guidelines for steady growth with consistent uploads and genuine interaction to build an audience. Start in YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel and Advanced Settings to check key options. In Upload defaults, pick Public so every new video is visible to anyone unless you change it. For existing videos, use the Content tab to bulk edit visibility to public quickly. Review each video's title, thumbnail, and tags to improve discoverability and ensure community guidelines are followed for smoother audience growth and monetization readiness. Focus on optimization to get your public account noticed. Choose keywords that match viewer intent and place them early in titles. Design thumbnails that communicate value at a glance and test variations to improve click-through rate. Write descriptive video descriptions with timestamps and relevant tags, and enable chapters to increase watch time. Consistent branding and playlists also guide viewers to more content and strengthen your channel's recommendations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.